Before you head out into the wild, it's important to plan your meals and pick only the must-have cooking tools and pots. A lot of campers pack too much stuff they don't need and forget the important things. We don't want you to make that mistake. So, we've put together a list of the best camping cooking items based on how well they work and what they do. Let's get started. Heading out for a camping trip and can't imagine mornings without your favorite brew? Consider packing the Gator French press coffee maker. It's not just any coffee maker. It's your gateway to enjoying delicious coffee right by your tent. With a 34-ounce capacity, it's perfect for sharing up to 4 cups with your camp buddies. Its double-layered stainless steel design and double filtration system ensure your coffee stays hot and tastes great for about an hour. Plus, it comes with a handy mini canister for storing your coffee grounds. Imagine sipping on your rich, flavorful coffee while soaking in the beauty of a lakeside or grassland. Let the Gator French press be your coffee companion on your next outdoor adventure. For pizza lovers, the Stoke gas pizza oven is here to transform your camping into a gourmet experience. This compact 13-inch carbon steel oven reaches up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes, cooking a perfect margarita pizza in only 2 minutes. Its stabilizing legs make it easy to set up anywhere, providing a steady cooking surface. Pack your pizza dough, cheese, and favorite toppings like pepperoni and mushrooms, and you're ready to make delicious pizzas right at your campsite. With the Stoke gas pizza oven, you're all set to become the pizza maestro of the great outdoors. Meet the MyHo camping cookware set, your camp kitchen in one. With 16 pieces, including a non-stick pot, frying pan, kettle, bowls, and utensils, you can cook everything from steak to veggies. These stackable items are easy to carry and have a non-stick, non-toxic anodized coating, making them durable and a breeze to clean. No more wasting time scrubbing dishes on your trip. Instead of packing individual items, grab the MyHo camping cookware set and make your camp cooking easy and fun. This set is your secret ingredient for mastering campsite cooking. Sure, there's something special about cooking over an open flame, but what if you could get that same satisfaction without any of the risks? Enter the Morph Cooker, the world's first electric camp stove that's changing the game. Forget about the dangers of fire, annoying fumes, and smoke. The Morph Cooker keeps your cooking experience safe, simple, and super versatile. True to its name, the Morph Cooker can transform into 6 different cooking tools. Think hot plate, frying pan, pot, and even a grill press. It's like having a whole kitchen in one gadget. Plus, it's not just about the cooking. This clever device offers electric charging options, including a solar panel. So, not only can you cook your meals, but you can also juice up your electronic devices in the great outdoors. If you're all about smart and safe cooking on your adventures, the Morph Cooker is something you've got to see for yourself. Get ready to up your campfire cooking game with the Wolf and Grizzly Cook system. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need for outdoor cooking: cookware set, fire pit, grill, and even a ferro rod for starting fires. Whether you're craving a hot breakfast or a sizzling dinner, the griddle, hibachi, and 2L pot can be combined to cook up any meal over a warm fire. Don't worry about complicated assembly. Setting up is quick and easy, so you'll be cooking in no time. It's the perfect gift for adventurers who love the taste of food cooked over an open flame. Let's step up your outdoor cooking game with the Primus Omnia 2-burner stove. This stove is perfect for your camping adventures. It's super stable, with a base that expands to create a secure cooking surface for 2 burners. Plus, it can boil a liter of water in just 4 minutes, perfect for quick meals on the go. For safety, the burners are connected directly to the gas canister, protected by the base. And check this out, the oak lid doubles as a cutting board or serving platter. Transporting it is a breeze thanks to the integrated carry straps. It's the perfect size for your outdoor trips, whether you're heading to a picnic or a camping adventure. Sure, the charm of a live kitchen is undeniable, but stumbling upon one in the wilderness seems far-fetched, right? Well, maybe not. Say hello to the Nomad Kitchen, your ultimate car kitchen buddy that fits snugly in your SUV, crossover wagon, or van. Imagine a kitchen that's compact, yet packs a punch, with dimensions that make it a perfect travel companion. 25 inches deep, 14 inches long, and 20 inches wide. No more missing out on the comforts of your kitchen. The Nomad Kitchen arrives ready to rock, fully equipped to handle your prepping, cooking, and cleaning needs on the move. It's truly an amazing time to explore the world without leaving the joys of home cooking behind. Forget about waiting for Domino's to deliver pizza in the middle of your adventure. Why not bring the pizza party to the great outdoors with the Oven Plus by Captain Cook? Picture this: the world's first double-deck outdoor pizza oven right at your fingertips, ready to turn your pizza dreams into reality. Whether you're in the mood to grill, bake, stew, or fry, the Oven Plus has got you covered. Imagine tossing a pizza into an oven that's designed with thermal convection, ensuring every inch gets evenly cooked without the need for a spin. And with its patented butterfly burner, you can fire it up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit in just 10 minutes. No more hanging around hungry. It's time to get your hands on an Oven Plus. Drinks are a must for camping, but keeping them cool on longer trips can be a challenge. Luckily, the RVR Roller 60 has you covered. With its reliable storage, you can enjoy your favorite beverages without worry, allowing you to relax and enjoy your time outdoors. This cooler isn't just any cooler. It's built tough with a rotationally molded body, airtight gasket, and thick foam insulation. It means your drinks stay chilled for up to 10 days, holding up to 60 cans and 20 pounds of ice without breaking a sweat. If you need extra storage space, the cooler includes a detachable dry bin featuring 2 compartments. This handy feature allows you to store additional items like 4 to 6 bottles of water, meats, bread, and more. Finally, moving it around is completely effortless, thanks to its 9-inch puncture-resistant wheels and durable aluminum pull handle. So, if you want to keep your food and drinks fresh on your outdoor adventure, the RVR Roller 60 cooler is the way to go. Hey outdoor explorers! Ever feel like a good meal can turn a camping trip into a memorable adventure? Well, get ready to elevate your outdoor dining game with the Warden Outdoors Kitchen Set. This awesome set has everything you need for cooking up delicious meals while you're on the go. With 36 handy items included, you'll be all set for cooking and eating in style. It's made from super durable food-grade stainless steel, so you know it's built to last. Plus, it's totally safe for you and your buddies to use. You'll love the deep dish frying pan, kettle, and grill grate that come with it. They're perfect for whipping up all your favorite camping meals, from sizzling breakfasts to hearty dinners. It comes with a nylon table cover to keep your meal free from dust and debris. Plus, it's got wheels, so you can easily roll it around your campsite without breaking a sweat. Meet the Igloo Cool Tunes Playmate Classic. It's not just your ordinary cooler, it's cooler with built-in Bluetooth speakers. Now, you can groove to your favorite tunes while enjoying the great outdoors. This cooler is tough and ready for any adventure with its weather-resistant exterior and IP56 rated water-resistant design. You can even splash around it without worrying about damaging the speakers. With easy-to-use controls and a covered charging port, keeping the music going all night long is a breeze. Plus, it has up to 10 hours of playtime on a single charge, so the party doesn't have to stop until you're ready to call it a night. Imagine camping in the great outdoors and feasting on delicious rotisserie-style food. No gas or electricity needed. Enter the Roto Q 360 rotating rotisserie, your new camping buddy. This lightweight rotisserie weighs just 5.5 pounds and fits easily into any backpack, perfect for adventures in the woods or by the lake. It also spins your food for you, so no more constant flipping is required. It's totally eco-friendly and super easy to use since it doesn't need any electricity, gas, or batteries. Plus, its compact design means you can attach it to gas or charcoal grills, fire pits, and more for mouth-watering meals wherever you go. Rotisserie-style chicken, beef, ribs, whatever you fancy, it's all possible right at your campsite with the Roto Q 360. If you're into hunting or overlanding, you know that having the right gear can make all the difference. And when it comes to outdoor cooking, the Benchmade Meatcrafter is a total game changer. With its cool OD G10 handle and stylish orange accent ring, it's not just functional, it looks awesome too. Made from super tough CPMS 45VN steel, the blade is ultra durable and crazy sharp, thanks to Benchmade's top-notch selectage technology. Whether you're trimming, deboning, or slicing wild game, this knife's precision cutting power has got you covered. And when you're done, just pop it into the orange bolt-around sheath for safekeeping. After tackling the day's camping tasks, imagine unwinding with a smooth, rich cup of coffee or espresso. Sounds perfect, right? With the Aeropress coffee maker, you can make it happen. Packed with everything you need, including 350 filters, a brewing chamber, plunger, filter cap, and more, this coffee maker can whip up 1 to 3 cups of delicious American or espresso-style coffee in about a minute, anywhere you find yourself. Its microfilters ensure you won't be sipping any grit, making cleanup super easy. Plus, at just 16.5 ounces, the Aeropress is a cinch to pack and bring along on your wilderness adventures. Just finished a delicious meal at your campsite and staring down those dirty pots and pans? Don't worry, because the UST Flexware Sink 2.0 is here to make dishwashing straightforward and hassle-free. This collapsible sink is lightweight and durable, made from thermoplastic rubber. With its 16-liter capacity, this sink ensures you have plenty of water to clean up everything in one go. And it's versatile, coming in different sizes and shapes to suit your needs. With dual carrying handles, this sink weighing 30.44 ounces is easy to transport, adding convenience to your camping experience. Overall, the UST Flexware Sink 2.0 is your go-to solution for washing dishes comfortably at the campsite, making post-meal cleanup a stress-free task. Imagine cooking your favorite meals outdoors without ever striking a match or lighting a fire. Sounds intriguing, right? Meet the Yabble Cook Flameless Cooker, your new go-to for hassle-free outdoor dining. This innovative cooker uses a simple combination of a heating pad and water to bring your food to nearly boiling temperatures in just minutes. Perfect for any outdoor adventure where fire is a no-go. The Yabble Cook is designed with your health and the environment in mind. It's crafted from BPA-free silicone, ensuring it's safe for you and your food. Plus, its lightweight and compact design means you can easily take it with you wherever you roam. Enjoy sweet treats around the campfire with Jolly Marshmallow roasting sticks. This set of 5 stainless steel sticks with wooden handles extends from 10 to 34 inches, perfect for roasting marshmallows or even hot dogs. These versatile sticks aren't just for marshmallows. You can also use them for hot dogs, adding a tasty twist to your camping meals. With Jolly Marshmallow roasting sticks, you'll create joyful memories and enjoy delicious, smoky marshmallows with your loved ones. Make your camp nights extra special with this must-have camping accessory. You might think that whipping up delicious food requires a good chunk of time, especially when you're out embracing the wilderness. But what if I told you that's not always the case? Enter the Rapid Grill series by George Foreman, a game changer for outdoor cooking that heats up 30% faster. That means you'll have mouth-watering burgers, juicy chicken, and perfectly grilled veggies in no time. Now, you might be wondering about the cleanup. Sounds like a hassle, right? Well, think again. This grill comes with dishwasher-safe removable plates, coated with a premium ceramic non-stick layer that's as tough as your adventurous spirit. So forget about cleanup stress and focus on what really matters, savoring every moment of your outdoor escapades. Prepare to be amazed by the GSunflow, an eco-friendly marvel that's changing the game in water purification. It uses a special pump that runs on USB power to purify water super efficiently at 15 psi, which is pretty impressive. You can power it up using the solar case or the power bank it comes with, so you're covered no matter where you are. But wait, there's more. This pump can purify a whole liter of water in just 1 minute. That means you won't be waiting around for ages to quench your thirst. You've got options for how you want to drink your clean water. You can fill up the water bag that comes with it and sip on the go, or you can attach a bottle directly to the filter and drink right from there. The included 18 watt-hour power bank is a beast, capable of pumping over 100 gallons of water on a single charge. So you can trust that you'll have plenty of clean water, even on your longest adventures. Planning a camping adventure? Get ready to take your outdoor cooking to the next level with the Omnia stovetop oven. It's super easy to use. No fancy installation required. Just plop the stainless steel base over your heat source, such as a camping stove, and place the round aluminum food container on top. Now, here's where the magic happens. The heat from the stove spreads across the bottom of the container and rises up through a special lid with a hole for ventilation. This clever design helps cook your food evenly, just like a regular oven. And speaking of food, the Omnia lets you whip up all sorts of delicious treats. From cakes and muffins to casseroles, bread, and even pizza, you can do it all. Plus, it works with different types of stoves. So whether you're using gas or a portable camping stove, you're good to go. Are you a coffee fanatic? Then you'll love the Minipresso NS2. It's your go-to solution for getting that perfect espresso fix while you're out adventuring. The Minipresso NS2 works its magic with special NS capsules. These little capsules make brewing espresso in the wild a breeze. They're already filled with precisely ground and measured coffee, so you get the same great taste every time. Using it is a piece of cake. Just pop in a capsule, pour in some hot water, and pump away with the piston. Before you know it, you'll have a rich, full-bodied espresso ready to go. Just what you need to fuel up for your outdoor escapades. So, whether you're camping in the woods or hiking up a mountain, the Minipresso NS2 ensures you never have to compromise on your coffee cravings. Need a trusty stove for your outdoor cooking adventures? Meet the half-gen camp stove from Jetboil. This versatile stove can be used on its own or link up with other JetLink-compatible stoves to create your outdoor kitchen. With a whopping 10,000 BTUs, it can boil water in just over 3 minutes. That means you can quickly whip up a hot beverage or melt snow for water. Jetboil's regulator technology lets you fine-tune the heat from a gentle simmer to a rolling boil, so you're in control of your cooking every step of the way. It comes with a handy 9-inch fry pan that's coated with ceramic for non-stick goodness. Perfect for cooking up everything from eggs to burgers without any hassle. The half-gen camp stove is easy to clean, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying the great outdoors. Meet Barbaram Mini, the ultimate camping grill designed to make outdoor cooking a breeze. Unlike those tricky traditional grills, Barbaram Mini keeps things simple and easy. Just a quick flick and you're ready to cook. No more struggling with complicated setups or bulky gear. With its thick grill, you can start cooking in seconds, feeding up to 4 hungry campers with its spacious cooking surface. And here's the fun part. With the grill's wings unfolded, you can easily add spices or food to your heart's content. Plus, it's super versatile. Whether you're into coal, wood chips, pellets, or even stick grills on the ground, Barbaram Mini can handle it all. So next time you're out camping, bring along Barbaram Mini for hassle-free, delicious outdoor meals that'll have everyone coming back for seconds. Thinking about whipping up some delicious Alfredo chicken pasta and veggies at your campsite? Let me introduce you to the Jetboil Genesis base camp system. This gem comes with a 5-liter pot and a 10-inch non-stick fry pan. Perfect for those warm stews or any meal you're craving in the great outdoors. It's powered by a propane tank and boasts foldable dual burners with a 10,000 BTU heating system, meaning you can boil water in just over 3 minutes. Plus, it's super easy to carry around in its durable bag, fitting all the bits and pieces neatly. Whether you're in the hills or far from civilization, this stove has you covered. Grab the Jetboil Genesis base camp system and get ready for tasty adventures. Next, meet the Napoleon Travel Q portable BBQ grill, a portable dual burner. It's perfect for grilling up tasty treats like chicken, pizza, and more. With 285 square inches of space and powerful 12,000 BTU dual burners, you can grill 20 burgers or even a whole chicken on this beauty. The cast aluminum design ensures durability, while the wave cooking grids give your food those coveted sear marks. Plus, with the ASCII Heat Probe temperature gauge, you can keep an eye on the grill's temperature for perfect results every time. Whether you're cooking for a small group or a big party, this grill has got your back. The GCI Outdoor Slimfold Cookstation trademark is made of durable aluminum and alloy steel, ensuring it's tough and long-lasting. This cookstation has a countertop, 4 side tables, and a storage rack, all able to hold between 30 to 48 pounds. This means you can keep all your cooking essentials neatly organized. But the best part is, it folds up flat and has a carry handle. That means you can easily take it with you on your camping trips. The GCI Outdoor Slimfold Cookstation trademark ensures you can cook at your campsite without the hassle of creating a mess or dealing with disorganization, keeping your outdoor cooking experience smooth and enjoyable.